Hey there, car owners. Are you noticing some suspicious smoke coming from your exhaust pipe? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to break down the types of car exhaust smoke and what they mean for your vehicle's health. White smoke. This indicates coolant leaking into the combustion chamber. This can be caused by a cracked engine block or cylinder head gasket failure, or a coolant leak. If you see white smoke, your engine might overheat, perform poorly, or even get damaged. How do we fix this, you may ask? Inspect and repair or replace damaged engine components. Check and replace the head gasket if needed, and ensure proper coolant levels and condition. There's another type of smoke, the blue smoke. This means that engine oil is entering the combustion chamber. This can be caused by worn out piston rings or cylinders, valve stem seal failure, or a PCV system malfunction. If you see this blue smoke, your engine might perform poorly, consume more oil, or even get damaged. To fix it, inspect and repair or replace damaged engine components, check and replace piston rings or cylinders if needed, and ensure proper PCV system function. Another one is the black smoke. This indicates incomplete fuel combustion. This can be caused by a rich fuel mixture, faulty fuel injectors, clogged air filter, or ignition system issues. If you see this black smoke, your engine might perform poorly, consume more fuel, or even get damaged. Fixing this is by checking and adjusting the fuel mixture, inspect and clean or replace fuel injectors and fuel pressure regulator. Ensure proper air filter and also ensure that the intake manifold is in good condition. Also, check and repair ignition system issues. Gray smoke. This indicates too much air entering the combustion chamber. This can be caused by a lean fuel mixture, vacuum leak, or an issue with the intake manifold, faulty mass airflow sensor or oxygen sensor, or ignition system issues. If you see this gray smoke, your engine might perform poorly, it might also consume more fuel, or even get damaged. Do you want to fix this? Check and adjust the fuel mixture. Inspect and repair vacuum leak or intake manifold. Ensure proper mass airflow sensor and oxygen sensor function. Also, check and repair ignition system issues. Remember, these are general guidelines, and it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for a proper diagnosis and repair. Don't let exhaust smoke get the best of you. Stay on top of your engine's health and keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in another exciting episode of Car Care.